Yo, what's going on with gang? This is the new video, and on this video we're gonna be giving an update on NAS 100 and US30. Alright, so as you can see right now we are on US30, and this is our analysis from the previous video. And according to what I'm seeing right now, I can tell that the market did kinda respect what we anticipated. Alright, so this is one of the possible move that we gave, that the market gonna, from where it was, I think, yeah, that was then, it will go a little bit up, and then from there we're gonna expect a major drop. All right, the reason I'm saying this might play out like we anticipate, it is because NAS 100 also a drop is expected. All right, so let's jump to NAS 100. All right, so oh my bad. All right, so this is NAS 100. All right, so as you can see right now on NAS 100, this is our analysis from the previous week also. All right, we anticipated that the market was gonna be moving inside this channel. All right, we were going up and maybe down and then up again. All right, so what we thought, because we saw the market as a lazy market. All right, according to fundamentals, we thought it was gonna be a very slow week. The market wasn't gonna have a lot of strong momentum. All right, so what happened is that the market did respect our channel. All right, it did reach this level. It didn't come back as anticipated, like it didn't move exactly per se. All right, so what happened, we thought that the market was gonna reach this level. That's what's our final level. We thought that that is the level the market's gonna be stuck at, and then maybe from there, because this upcoming week seems to be a very promising week. All right, so we believe that this, like, the volatility is gonna be crazy for this coming week. All right, so we thought maybe from this week it was then the market was gonna explode going upwards. All right, so what happened is that the market did respect our channel, but it broke it, and then it went to the next level. All right, so the reason I'm saying that US30 is gonna drop is because after a major takeoff like this, the market always comes back home, dog. Like, there's no place like home, we all know it. All right, so it took off like that, so it will drop like crazy before it takes off, because that's the nature of NAS 100 from the past years. Like, it's been doing this. All right, it takes off like crazy and then it drops majorly. All right, and then it's gonna be having, like, maybe from here it'll bounce, it'll go to the side, and then from there take off again. All right, like, so that I'm saying that US30, it was gonna drop, because you know, between USD, relation between US30 and NAS 100, they mostly work together. All right, when US30 drops, most of the times Nasdaq also drops. All right, so they kind of affect each other's price movements. All right, so that's why I'm saying US30 is gonna drop. All right, so let's go back to US30. All right, so as you can see, but obviously we should also cater for the possibilities of the market going to the upside. All right, but as of right now, we are certain that what we have right here might just play out exactly like we anticipated. All right, so what we're gonna be doing now on US30, we're gonna be clearing off the charts. All right, and reanalyzing to make sure that we don't miss anything out. All right, because we don't want to be like, we don't want to pay the price. All right, so yeah, let's just head to weekly. All right, and remove all drawings. All right, all drawings are removed now. So let's put our levels up. All right, obviously you know how we do this thing. We trap the currently running price. All right, so that it becomes so easy for us to predict the next movement. All right, so let's find our support level. All right, we can put something here. Yeah, let's put something there. All right, so we're gonna be taking our horizontal line. All right, so we have our support, so let's find our major resistance. All right, yeah, we can put it here. All right, so yeah, now we go to daily time frame. All right, so here's our daily time frame. Let's put more levels. Yeah, we can put something right here. Yeah, let's put it. All right, so let's put something above also. yeah, I think we're fine for now. Let's go to 4 hour. All right, so we have those kind of major levels. All right, so now let's try to find a trend. All right, let's try to draw a trend line. All right, align those kind of levels. All right, because you know, like, you can never go wrong with trend lines. All right, so let's try to align something. All right, if it doesn't, we leave it. All right, this one is very far. All right, so let's try the next peak. Let's try it from here and see. Okay, it is also far as we put like this. Try to squeeze it. Okay, even when we squeeze it, like, kind of makes sense, though it's far. All right, so let's just draw it. Let's put it like this. All right, always remember that you left out these peaks. All right, when you analyze, so that, because if the market breaks this level, it will support these peaks. All right, so yeah, let's try to align from here. All right, and see, because what we're trying to do now is that we're trying to make sense of what's the market's next move. All right, we're trying to make sense of it. All right, so if we put it here, or maybe here, still don't make much sense. Okay, you can put it right here. All right, so all right, yeah, we have levels up. Do we have a declining trend? That check. Let's go to 1 hour. Do we have alignments for a declining trend? Can we align these two? Okay, not necessarily. So can we align these ones? Let's see. You see, here comes trouble. See, these ones also align, which is like first touch, second touch, third touch, and fourth touch, and whatever. All right, so meaning there's a high chance that the market might just continue going upwards. Like, the market might just take 10, and then just go upwards. All right, but we know, see right here, you can put a rectangle because there's high activity area. That is a very high activity zone. All right, so we're gonna put a rectangle. Let's just fix it a bit. All right, so meaning there's a very high chance that the market will struggle to break it, and even if it does break it, all right, even if it does break it, this is the level. It's gonna fail again and come back. And then if it breaks this level, we know that we have a support of this resistance trend line. All right, support trend line, I mean. All right, so if it breaks it also, this is the level we think the market's gonna be stopping at. All right, so yeah, I think it will play out this way. All right, I think it will. All right, but we'll just see, man, how the market plays out. But this is an anticipation, man. Like, I'm not seeing strong upwards movement for the US30, man. Like, this move, I know it always breaks to the downs. Like, it always break. All right, this kind of trend, it always like get violated, always, all the time. All right, so my anticipation from here is that it also get broken, man. Like, maybe, yeah, I think the market will lie to us, be promising us those bullish moves, and eventually break. Right, like, this is what I think. All right, but we'll see how the market plays out once it's open. All right, but so far I'm not seeing strong bearish moves. Like, honestly, I don't think the market will have those solid bullish moves. All right, so just move this guy again and just be sure. But still, like, the opening, that I don't think, man, we're gonna have, but it's possible that we might, get that, probably. All right, so there's another chance that the market might just play out like this. All right, there's a chance. I'm not saying ideally I think the market will decline, but there's a very high chance for this move, because you can see that the market has been respecting this small trend in here. All right, so there's a high chance that it might respect it as well, and the levels kind of make sense. All right, so, and if you could look into the overall structure from here, you can see we have that kind of a W. All right, you see that W shape. All right, so meaning there's a very high chance that the market might give us something like this, which is not ideal. All right, but you know, the market is the market. We do not control the market. We only respond according to what the market gives us. All right, so we're gonna be on the lookout for the bullish movement. Though we anticipate a decline, but we're gonna be on the lookout for this one because there's a very high chance that the market might respect this trend. All right, so let's go back to the Nasdaq 100. All right, because for the US30 we have those possible two moves. All right, we have those possible two moves, but this one is likely. Like, I'm suspecting this bullish one might just take place. All right, but we'll see. All right, we'll see. For the US30, I don't think we're gonna be trading again for this coming week. We're gonna be observing it because it's kind of tricky. All right, so gonna be going to the Nasdaq 100. Let's check on Nasdaq 100 was popping. All right, so this was our previous move as I've analyzed before the video. Yeah, so let's clear all the charts and we analyze it and see how Nasdaq 100 is been moving. All right, and by the way, we are deep in profits with Nasdaq 100. Like, we are heavy in profits. All right, so yeah, let's put, we know what we do. We put our levels, man. So we're gonna be putting our resistance. You can put a major one here. All right, then put our support right here, then move to the daily time frame. All right, so all right, you can put another level here. This is a switch level, man, for in case Nasdaq drops and drops, because likely, like always when Nasdaq explodes, takes off, like it always drops like massive, like aggressive, like it always does. All right, so catering for that. All right, so this level we can put it here. Yeah, I think it's, yeah, that's the right area to put it. And then let's put another one here, right here. All right, so let's go to 4 hour and readjust the levels correctly. You can put it here. Right, yeah, so our levels are adjusted very well, and let's see, can we align a trend line? But I doubt we can. All we have is the move, man. Remember, from when this move began, I did say what I did say, man. Like, this is a crazy move, man. It's a crazy move, like a very one beautiful move, man. So what's expected, it might, well, you see, this is the ultimate move that we expect from Nasdaq 100, man. This is the ultimate move. All right, but yeah, let's check for what's currently happening now. All right, as you can see, man, it reached its peak, like it's at a resistance level. So for now, like Nasdaq 100 has no choice but to drop. All right, like it does not make sense for it to go bullish for now. All right, so let's put a rectangle here. So we're gonna be putting a rectangle right here. All right, for in case if like it decides to go bullish. All right, might take 10s, but honestly speaking, I doubt. Maybe it will and break. All right, or maybe from there that will be then it takes off. So we're gonna be putting another rectangle right here. All right, so we're gonna just duplicate this one. All right, and put it right here. All right, so I doubt, man, like for real, I doubt it's gonna go bullish like just like that. Kind of drops and then maybe If it doesn't reach, if it decides to go bullish, at least it's gonna have to drop until this level here. All right, around around 13,720. At least it has to drop up until there. All right, and then takes off, continue with its bullish movement, which is possible and which is good news for us because we are still in a position. All right, so if it does this, like, it's okay for us 100 because it's a very strong anticipated move, man. Like, for real, this move, like, it's anticipated. All right, so if it does this, that's good news for us. All right, still good news for us. Like, for this one, I'm not seeing much. I'm seeing a decline, man. Like, but this one also moved, like, it's possible also, because like, from what I saw from US30, I'm kind of getting convinced that Nasdaq also will be going bullish. All right, but we'll just see how the market plays out, guys. Like, we don't have much to say, but I hope you learned something from today's video, man. The correlation between the US30 and Nasdaq. I didn't go much into details about it, but yeah, if you learned anything from this video, guys, please give us a thumbs up. And if you're new to this channel, please subscribe. We'd like to have you on this channel. And if you have any questions, man, hit your question on the comments. And if you want free signals, also the link to our free signals is also on the description, man. And we are out of here.